I'm stressing out. I'm stressing out. I'm stressing out. Okay. Okay. Give me this iron ore. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Okay. I'm gonna place my furnaces. My furnace. Oops, why did I just put all that into one? Oops.
Alright, the smelting begins. The border is 175 blocks away.
Oh,
and it is now much closer.
My God! This is not good. No!
It's so fast. It's so fast.
Wow.
What is this? I gotta pack up. I gotta leave because the border... Oh wait, no. I gotta place a block.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Unacceptable. Okay, I had to take damage to hop over that. That was almost very bad because you can't place blocks. Dude,
okay,
I hate this border.
Oh my God,
it didn't even go that far. It's just messing with me.
I don't know if I can. Oh wait. Okay, actually I can.
You can. You're fine.
Oh
just
wait. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Just use slash top.
I got it. This sucks! Oh my God!
Dude, the border, it's trolling us.
Wow, this is not good. Stop moving!
We're shotgun raids now. This is how it feels to be shotgun raided.
Oh my God! Ah! Let me in! Okay. Wow, this is awful!
Oh my God, the border.
This is literally awful.
I got an iron chest plate at least. We're getting there.
Okay, I literally have nothing yet.
We're doing all this work just to get full iron, and every team there is going to be like enchanted diamond.
Oh.
Alright,
This is
if I had one more stone.